Hello, hello. I don't know what is going on there. Let me check if my if whatever English is very bad. Like I don't have any like I'm streaming after very long time. So let me check first if I am live or not. Yes, it is showing I am live. It's look like I am live. Let me see. Let me check. Ready? One, two, three,
there.
go.
Let me check if if whatever English is very bad.
Oh, it is
Like
very
I don't
late.
have any
Okay.
like I'm streaming after very long time. So let me check first if I am live or not. Yes, it is showing I am live.
Okay. No problem, eh? What will be problem there if I will don't do anything wrong? So everything will work fine. Like my laptop is not heating and cooler is running and fans are spinning, whatever. Okay, let's minimize that. Okay. So what should I can do today? Like I don't know. Like for today's live, I don't have any agenda or I didn't check anything that I will do today. So I think let's just talk about what I am currently doing, projects. Yeah, this is what like I was thinking that I can talk about my projects, what I am doing now. Okay. So should I share my screen? Yeah, why not? You can also see how I am streaming. I am using this setup. As you can see, it is the setup that I am using. It is OBS Studio. And here I am on the second scene where you can see me in the corner, right bottom corner, and you can see my complete screen. Like here, we have Superman. And let's make the recycle bin empty. Okay, now my screen is completely empty. Then I have next wallpaper. Let me show you. That will be Wonder Woman. Yeah, Jack Snyder's Wonder Woman. Not any Wonder Woman. It's Jack Snyder's Wonder Woman. Okay. Now let's go to next, and it's Batman. It's Ben Affleck's Batman. And here we have Jack Snyder's Superman. Henry Cavill, but it is completely Jack Snyder's. Because Jack Snyder said, it is my Superman. Past, present, and future. Same Jack Snyder said for Wonder Woman and same said for Batman. So it's completely owned by Jack Snyder. Okay. What I am saying? I am out of my control. Okay, whatever. But these only three wallpaper I have. Okay, so should we talk about first Jack Snyder or should we talk about my projects, what I am doing? Okay, let me show you about my projects. Whatever, but Jack Snyder is the best. Let's first go to Jack Snyder. No, let's first go to Chrome and open what I am currently working on. I am currently working on a Android app which I already published on Play Store. So let's directly go to the Play Store and see. Here. Here you can see this is my app called Apnapan, a new social media app. Okay. This is my app logo and these are app screenshot. Let me show you. Yeah, here it is. You can just simply sign in with your Google account. Just click on sign in with Google account, then select your Google account and you will directly log in. Okay. There is no need to enter your email ID or password or mobile number. No need of anything. Just click on sign in with Google and you are in. Very straightforward. Okay. Then it's a social media app, so you can see that here you can add your posts. Your posts. posts. Yeah, okay. What is we call it? Posts. Yeah. Here you can add your posts. Why my tongue is not flipping? Why I can't say posts? Post? No, let's just say post. Here you can use your post and as posts, multiple post. Let call it that way. So here you can add your post, you can share your images, you can add multiple images, and you can add hashtags, and you can add mentions, user mentions, and then people can like your post and they can comment there. And here we go. Let's see some comments. Yeah, here Myra Nori commented some face with heart and face emoji. Okay, whatever. So like that you can comment and like. Okay, this is looking great. And you can slide through the images like here it is showing third image out of 5 and here it is showing first image. So like in the post there is a button called add a post. On clicking on that you can add the post. Let me show you that page where it is. Yeah, here it is. Add a new post. You can add your tag and whatever you want to add here. Caption, image caption, then you can add your multiple images there. And you can also add videos, but this feature is, I disabled this feature for now because it's was taking too much bandwidth. So that's why I disabled that feature, but in the future I will enable it. In the future I will enable this feature. Okay, do you getting my point? Whatever. And you can also add polls. Yeah, polls feature is available now, right now at this point. And also you can, yeah, then you can just click on send post and your post will be shared to the entire world. Like entire world means only 30 to 40 users whoever using my app. This is entire world for Apnapan app. Okay, yeah. And here I just skip one more screenshot. Here you have your profile. In your profile you have your photo, then your name, then your user handle, then how many followers you have, and how many users you are following to, and how many posts you have added to the Apnapan app. Okay. Then you have your bio. You can write whatever you want to write in your bio. Like I have written here, developer of this cool Android app, hashtag Flutter, hashtag Apnapan. Yeah, I will edit my profile and add also a hashtag Apnapan because I am proud of Apnapan app. Yeah, like some part proud. Okay, now let's go to the next screenshot. Here, yeah, here you can see we also have chat. You can talk to Momin Ahmad. Yeah, whatever you, whoever you want to talk with, you can talk. Like send messages, receive messages. Yeah, this chatting app is very simple. Not many feature in the chat because it is focused on posts, not on chats. It is not focused on chatting. It is mainly focused on posts. So it is like Twitter direct message, simple. Just you can just interact privately instead of interacting in the comment section of post. You can directly go to the person and interact privately. Only this is the reason for chat feature to be there. And what else is missing? Then we have, yeah, this is simple, your profile. And here you can see we have chats and groups chat feature behind, and here we have settings feedback. This is just mandatory things to add in the app so that it will be published on Play Store. Okay, if someone is coming behind me, if you can see someone behind me, please just ignore them. They are just my family members and they are very good. I must say they are. No, no, I'm not saying anything. They are very good. So they come sometime in this home because in this room because this is shared room. This is not my private room. Or I must say this is the only room in our house. So this is for everyone. so I don't have any privacy. So let's do the live in the public or in the family. Okay. Is there any? Yeah, this is the last screenshot where we have profile editing section. Here we can edit our bio, user handle, name, and also change the image. Okay, that's it. Yeah, this is not it. If I have the app installed on the laptop, which I can't because it is an Android app and I am on the Windows, so then I can show the complete all of the features. But for now, this is what is it. Okay, so yeah, these all 5-star ratings from my friend. Yeah, he's my senior in my college. He was my senior. Yes, he was my senior, and she's my sister. He's my cousin brother. And all reviews from likes the same. He is my friend. He is me itself, and it is also my sister. Yeah, this person I think is my, yeah, animes. I think he's my batchmate from my college. Yeah, and she's also my sister, the last one. And then we have also my sister rating and also my sister's rating. So my sister have rating 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 ratings from my sister and 1 rating from my cousin, and 2 and 3 ratings from my friend and college friends. Okay, no problem. So I have all 5-star ratings from 11 reviewers. So my app is 5-star app. No, 5-star like this. 5-star app. I have 5-star app on Play Store. But how many reviewers are there? Only 11. And who are these ones? All my friends and family members. Okay. But I have 50 plus downloads. It is showing here. But like my app is around 20, 30, or maybe 40 people are used for some time. But if I say using regularly, then there will be only 5 to 10 users who are using my app regularly. And all these 5 to 10s are from my family and friends. So my app is not, as you can see, is not popular, or maybe no one knows about my app. But I think after this live, this great live, all of you will know that there is a one app called Apnapan, which will be the killer of all social media apps. This is the future of social media. Ah, blah blah blah. What I'm saying, it's not true. Yes, you can see. Okay, whatever. This is my Apnapan project. Okay. Now what I am working on, I am working on one open source project. Yeah, this is not open source because I have to publish on Play Store. I also show some ads between them. In the screenshot you can't see ads there, but they are in the between of posts. Like after 5 posts, there will be one ad. So from that I will get some revenue if there will be thousands of user in my app. So not from 10 to 5 to 10 users. If my app will grow to the thousands and multiple thousands, like 10,000, 100,000, then I will get some money. Yeah, and then I will be happy from my app. But for now, it is just for fun, as you can see. And now, and I'm working on what I was saying is a one open source project called Pesa, PISA, and it is on here. It is not on my GitHub repository because I am not the owner of this app. I just contribute sometimes. Like I am the second contributor there, but the main owner of this app and who is developing the all the features is this. Who is that? H4S13. Hemant. Hemant S. He is the owner and he is developing too many features. Only complete app is owned by him. I just added one or two bug fixes only. So I am showing this app you as my open source project. No, this is not my open source project. It is just I am contributing to this project. Like currently I have two draft PRs that I am currently working on. First one is that there previously we have glow behind this card. Now I am working on the option to hide the glow in the settings. So user, if the user want to show the glow behind the card, then they can see, else they can't. Yeah, they don't. And one else other feature I'm bringing on the Hindi translation because my native language is Hindi and whatever I am talking is in English and my English is not good, so that's why I want to translate this app in Hindi. So can I will be comfortable. No, I'm s- I'm just kidding. I'm comfortable in reading English, but not in talking in English. So yeah, this is I think it's just unnecessary work I am doing, but it's fun to have some app in our native language. So yeah, it will be proud moment when I will complete this PR and this PR will be merged. So the native user of from India can use this app in Hindi. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. And from the translation, my app also has Hindi support. Yay! Yeah. If the user is using their Android mobile on Hindi language, then they will get my mobile in Hindi because my my mobile, not my mobile, my app on their mobile on Hindi because I support Hindi language. Yeah, only two language I support in my app, English and Hindi. Okay. Yeah, I will add multiple language support when my app grow in the multiple countries. Blah. Uh-huh. How much big dreams I am dreaming right now. Okay, no problem. Dream big dreams as big as you can dream. Okay. Yeah, here is my app. And here is my sister. And I am live right now. Yeah, on the YouTube. Huh? Zero. I think there will be zero live viewers on my live stream. Okay, whatever I was saying. Okay, yeah, this is the second project that I am working on. And what else I am working on? Let go to my GitHub profile. Then there we can see what else I am working on. Just go to the github.com. Let's go. Yeah, this is my upper project, but it is private as you can see. Yeah, I can show you some of my private code, but there is too much code in the lib section. Main code are is there. So here you can see we have multiple screen folders and multiple files. Yeah, I can just show you that my router. Like here you can see how many pages are there. Yeah. Should I explain you about all of these pages? No, I am not going to explain, but there are multiple pages. Home screen, about screen, multiple screen, chat, comment, edit address, edit post, help screen, user screen, notification screen, post screen, user screen. Yeah, all the names are just straightforward. You can understand what screen these are. There will be code for like in this class for this screen all the code will be in this class, so when the path is go to this route then so this class. Okay. You can understand the simple logic there. Yeah, blah blah what I am saying, whatever. Yeah, it is in Flutter. Yeah, I last time did Flutter live stream where I was giving some example about the my Firebase, no Flutter, and yeah, I also using Firebase. Here you can see, but I can't open this file because it will reveal all my secrets. Not my secret, Firebase secrets. My Firebase account secrets. Okay. Like how this my Android app connecting with Firebase. Yeah, blah blah what I am
talking about. Yeah, this is my Apanapan project. Let's go back to all projects. Then I have, yeah, second, I am contributing to the Pesa app. Then third, yeah, here we go, app. This app name is app, but not, this app name is not app. This app name is called, let's go to my profile in the Android studio here. Here BF second app under my name. It is called PF Broadband World Phone. It is a simple Android app to do the Wi-Fi recharge, and it is for the Wi-Fi. My local Wi-Fi provider, I create a mobile Wi-Fi recharge app for them. So here you can see, you can do the payment with Google Pay, Phone Pay, and these payment system, and you can select your payment plan, and then you will get your receipt for the plan. Yeah, it is simple app, and here also we have one video, trailer video, but it is I think in Hindi, so let's see if you can understand. Otherwise, I will explain.
आपके इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर के द्वारा मिला हुआ यूजर नाम लिखें और जिस नंबर से आपका अकाउंट रजिस्टर्ड है वो मोबाइल नंबर इंटर करके
Enter
ओटीपी
user
का
ID
इंतजार
and
करें।
enter mobile number. Okay.
ओटीपी
Then
डालें।
enter OTP. It is
अब
straightforward and
अकाउंट
simple
ऑप्शन
app.
पर क्लिक करके अपना फुल नाम
Yeah, add your full name and address.
और
because-
एड्रेस लिखें, सेव करें और बिल जमा करने
Because for
या
receipt
रिचार्ज करने के लिए
generation.
रिचार्ज नाउ ऑप्शन पर क्लिक करें। अपना पसंदीदा प्लान सेलेक्ट करें और कंटिन्यू पर क्लिक करके पेमेंट की प्रक्रिया को जारी रखें। आपका रिचार्ज सक्सेसफुल हो चुका है। अब रिचार्ज हिस्ट्री ऑप्शन पर जाएं। आपका स्टेटस पेंडिंग दिखाई दे तो इंतजार करें। प्रक्रिया पूरी होने में कुछ समय लग सकता
Then you
है।
can download
कंप्लीट
your
होने
bill.
पर
Yeah,
आप
blah.
अपना बिल डाउनलोड कर
Wow.
सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Yeah, this is a straightforward app, as you can see. So this app I developed for my local Wi-Fi provider in my area. So they are using this app, and it have more download than my app. It have 100 plus downloads. Yeah, this is my app. Also, this is my app, but not for me. Like I published it on my profile, but okay, no problem. Yeah, this is the code for this app. This code is also private because you can see it is also not my app. Also, it is for someone. But why this repository called app? I don't know why. Also, there I didn't even change the README. Yeah, why change the README file in the private repo when no one will see? Okay, this the second my second project, and then we have Apanapan Cloud. Yeah, for my this Apanapan app for some backend service and cloud functions. This is the repository for that. Yeah, then we have mominera.github.io. What is this? Yeah, it is my portfolio website. You can see there mominraza.dev. Here I my portfolio website. Can you recognize this person? Who is this? Yeah, it's me. You can see. Am I matching with this person? I don't think so because it is very old photo of me. I don't know how much old. Yeah, yeah. I developed this website. I don't know. No, this is my date of birth. Oh, sorry, I was saying I developed this website in 2000s when I just born. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I think I developed this in 2017 or in 2018. Yeah, I think that time I developed that website, and this photo also from that time. Now it is 2023. I think it's 5, at least 5 year old website. Yeah, last time I changed this copyright in 2020. So the last edit I think is from 3 year old. But this website I developed way more ago. Yeah, in 2018 you can imagine. Yeah, 2018. From there, this was my photo. Okay. Then also in the portfolio, I added my some other projects. Yeah, yeah, these are projects. yeah, this be a broadband world phone, but I used this image from my previous project because I am lazy. I didn't create a screenshot. I didn't even bother to take a screenshot from here and place it here so you can see what I am talking about. But lazily I just take this screenshot and place it there. Okay, this is my another project. Yeah, and yeah, this is the open source because for publish any website through GitHub, you have to make it open source. So my portfolio is open source. Yeah, as you can see, there is no lock. Yes, then we have, yeah, this is also I'm currently working on, and I just started it 3 and yeah, 4 days ago. This library, Flutter library. It is Flutter library. It is also published on pub.dev. Here you can see pub.dev overlay text form field. What is did what is does it, so the in my app you can see you can add hashtags and at the rate user mentions and has some tags like that. So for that I created this library because I was developing this feature for myself. So I thought why not give this feature to the overall community of Flutter developers. So I created this library. And as you can see, no one is using from likes and from popularity. Yeah, it is 7% popular. Oh, from where it is getting the popularity? I don't know. And how this popularity is calculated, I don't also know. But it is getting popular. This is good news. Yeah, then what we have, it is also open source because it is in the open source community under Flutter. Flutter is also open source, so why not? Why my package will not be open source? Yeah, so let's close this. Yeah, this is very good package from my side. This is my first package, as you can see here. Yeah, this is only package I published. Okay, let's close this tab. Let's go back to the other projects. And then I have Miro Pro. It is a theme for question to answer. This is also one open source PHP script for question and answer website creating. So for that I created one theme because I was developing one website and which is also live right now, JEE NEET Q&A, where you can ask JEE and NEET previous year questions and answer. You get question and answer here. Like here it is a question. Yeah, here you can also see some ads, but there are very less ads. Yeah, here it is a question. Then you can add comments. Then you can answer the question. In the answer, you can also add comments. And you can add other answers. Other people can also add other answers. So it is a community website like Stack Overflow and others where you can add question answer. But it is only for J and NEET questions. Okay. So for that, this theme you can see this website design. This design is called theme because the default design for question answer look like this. I can see you. Let's just, yeah. This is the default theme for question to answer. It is also open source project. For that, this is the default theme. So I developed this beautiful theme where we have dark theme, also light theme, and it is automatic. Okay, because my device is currently in dark theme as you can see. So yeah, here questions, answers, blah blah blah. Let's just go back to the dark theme. Okay, so this theme, I created this theme for my website, but then I decided why not give this theme also as open source, make it open source so that other people can get help from this project. So there we have 7 folks, so at least 7 people are using this. But I know there might be hundreds of users using this theme, because I have many people asked me question how to use this and how to do this, but I have added complete readme file with all the steps how to set up this theme and all of these things. So here you can see. Yeah, it is also progressive web app ready, which means you can create a Android app like feel from this website without creating an Android app, but you will get a Android app. Blah. What a nice term for progressive web app. You may know about that, but it is what is it? Yeah, it is ready for that. Like you will get entire screen view. You will not get the search bar on top and all of these things from Chrome. It is running still in Chrome, but as a standalone app. So it will give the feeling of a standalone app, and it will create a shortcut in your home screen. So you can launch from there. Okay. And it is also, this is in the tablet, iPad, and this is in the Windows laptop view. So yeah, this is very nice theme from me to the open source community. As you can see, I am open source contributor, little bit open source contributor. I have two open source package, but one open source package, one open source theme, and I am contributing to one open source Android app which is called Pesa. Yeah, and let's close this project, close this website, and let's go back to the my all repositories. And what else I have? Flutterfire. Yeah, I contributed in Flutterfire. Only one contribution from my side in Flutterfire. In Flutterfire for Flutter Firebase libraries. All the libraries is called Flutterfire. Why not? Flutter plus Firebase called Flutterfire. Yeah. So in this there is multiple packages there. So in this one package I contributed only one function in Firebase UI Firestore. Yeah, here we go. And here in the live source query builder, and what is my contribution there? Let me show you. Yeah, let me show you what my contribution is there. Okay, my contribution is, I think, here, which is called empty builder, item builder, loading builder, error builder, empty builder. This line I added. Then here you can see where is the empty builder. Loading, item builder, error builder, yeah, empty builder. This line also added by me. Then come down here. If docs is empty and docs builder is not null, then yeah, empty builder is not null, then so empty builder. This is also added by me. Yeah, this is my contribution in this file. Yeah, let me show you how to check. Yeah, go to let history. Then see, yeah, here is my commit from 14th November 2022. I added that empty builder. Here you can directly see what was my changes here. These three. One place, second place, and third place. Thereby my changes. So I am contributing to this project also. Yay! Yeah, only one contribution, but why not? Call me as open source contributor. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. And let's explore more repositories. Then we have one project called Madrasa, where I developed a one website for Madrasa near me. So it is also private repository because why not? Yeah. Do I have the website link handy? It was like something Darul Uloom. No, it was Barkatul Hadith. Yeah, barkatulhadith.net. Yeah. Here is the website that I developed for that madrasa. Here we have four images there and all of these about section, poster section, admission. Here in about we have English, then Urdu, then English. Because the English translation I need to do it by myself because they only provided the Urdu. They provided the about section in Urdu. So like here. So all of these was in Urdu. So I have to do it translate by myself and make it in English. So I did very lazy work there. I translated some things, then I left something because there was some complications that I didn't understand from Urdu. So that's why I translated only headings here. Yeah. Okay. So this is website. There is their posters for all the events, Jalsa events, and all the Ramadan calendars. Yeah, admission notice, syllabus notice, result notice, all the news. There is no news. All the books. They have many books. So these why these books are loading very slowly. I don't know because this image size is very big. This is the only problem. Yeah, then you can download the books PDF directly from here, and you can contact with them, and you can donate to that madrasa. Yeah, that's it for this madrasa website. Yeah, there is also a login panel and admin panel where all of these change things the madrasa head, the principal, or whoever is running this website can change. Whoever the admin of this website, I give them a login email and password so they can log in from there. Okay. Yeah, now let's move back to the other projects. Then here we have classic responsive. I don't know what is this. Yeah, don't know. Yeah. Okay, get it. It is a question to answer theme, which is classic theme, but I made it responsive. Did you get my point? Yeah, very simple. Then there is Flutter. In Flutter, I never created a PR, but I created issues, and yeah, why not call me open source contributor if I created issues there. Author, let's search for my. Yeah, there is one issue open, which is proposal, and there is zero issue closed. Yeah, there is one issue I created, and I also added some comments helping others contributors. So I did very small contribution in Flutter because Flutter is very used for me. I didn't understand how they are creating this awesome framework. Yeah, where I can simply just create apps for every platform, for Android, for iOS, for Windows, website, and yeah, this my Apan app is developed on Flutter, so I can publish it on every platform if I want because Flutter is so capable. But I didn't want right now, so yeah, there is some little work to do to publish on other platform, but it is possible very easily and for publishing in iOS and MacBooks and iPads, you have to have MacBook to compile for that platform. And there is also very high fees to publish on the App Store in the iOS, so that's why I didn't created a iOS app because why not? Yeah, yeah. This is Flutter project. Then we have Jellyfin. Yeah, Jellyfin is a I don't know what is it. I am very tired right now. I think there is many projects that I worked on past. if I was going to show you all these projects, it will take hours and hours, but I am tired right now. Yeah, me give you the overview from here. This is Jellyfin. Jellyfin media server. Create your local media server. Did you get the point? Just search Jellyfin in the Google. You will get. So for this, there is a web version for Jellyfin. The old version, which was developed on React or maybe native JavaScript. Don't know. Vanilla JavaScript, whatever. But now they are creating it is in Vue, and it is very beautiful and modern looking. So that's why I contributed in this only one contribution. And I also created Jellyfin theme because that time I was using this Jellyfin media server to play my local media, movies and series. So that time I created one theme for my style, my liking, and I also make it open source. So if someone like my is same as my style, so they can use my theme. Yeah. Then we have time ago project for Flutter, where you can see time like this 5 minutes ago, 3 days ago, or 1 year ago, like that. Instead of showing the time as 5 March 2022, time 10:33, like that. So instead of that, you just see 5 minutes ago, or like relative times. Did you get my point? So in that, I also added some no PR, only issues. Yeah, one PR also. But my PR is not get merged yet. And other people are also saying that my PR is legitimate and you can merge that, but they are not merging. Yeah, here this PR for Hindi translation, obviously. Yeah, there someone is validating my PR is right. Not very good, but it's right. It should be like that. But also the owner of this repository is not reviewed. I think he's not understanding Hindi language, so maybe that's why it is taking him so much time or whatever. But I know that he will someday merge this PR. But this project is in currently active development, so I think he will someday merge my PR. And what else I can say? And then we have this, yeah, Mohammed Arsan, my cousin. He created one simple website called Random Jokes. So on that, I just contributed one PR. Why not? Then we have a to-do app developed in Kotlin, Jetpack Compose. Yeah, I think it is a fork from someone else. I think no, it is created by me. So I think it is never got completed, or maybe it is from some tutorial I was watching for Kotlin development with Jetpack Compose, blah, very tough. So I just shifted my complete focus to the Flutter. Yeah. Then we have CSR Deck of Card from Web Dev Simplified. He is a YouTuber teaching web development. So I just forked the repository from there and added one or two changes there. Then we have UPI payment. This I used in this app for do this payment using the UPI. Yeah, this is the package that time I used, and I also try to add some issues, reported issues, and try to add some PRs. Yeah, that we have launcher icons for Android app, Android icons, like customizing Android, your Android mobile. Why not? So I just added some issues, reported some bugs there, and then we have, yeah, open source website for this PF broadband world phone, because for publishing any app on Play Store you have one privacy policy link and all of these links. For that I created one open source website where I just published these privacy page. This was only mandatory page, so that's why. Then what we have? Flutter image compress. Obviously to compress the image, because in my Apna app there are too many images. So if they all upload 5 MB images 5 times and multiple thousands of images, then it will definitely cost me huge. So that's why I am using this project Flutter image compress. Then what we have there, share handler, obviously for sharing the post from my app to, no, sharing images from gallery to my app. For that I am using this share handler project. So that's why it is there. I think I added some issues or something. Then have exam software. I was trying to add exam software in this website, JNET question answer website, but I never make it completed. So it is just only started project. So it is never got completed. Then we have Google Ads mobile Flutter to showing ads on my Flutter app. That's why it is there. Then we have Apnapan admin, because in social media app you need an admin app also, so moderate all the post, like there is not vulgar post or someone is trolling someone or like, yeah, bullying someone, and to see all of these reports people are making about other users. So to monitor all of these, I have the Apnapan admin. It is private because why not? Then we have Ambu project. It is a open source material design HTML CSS JavaScript library. Yeah, it is very simple but very good. And yeah, let's go to the demo. Here you can see it is beautiful looking, like bootstrap you have heard of, like that it is materialized, and for that there is components and all of these things. For this there is code documentation how to use that and all of these things. With the use of this you can create awesome material design websites. Yeah. Then what we have there, jellyfin web. Yeah, this is the simple jellyfin web. Then this is just jellyfin view. Do you get my point? I was talking about this old architecture which was they are using web client for jellyfin. What they are using there, I don't know. Let's go to the package.json and see what they are using there. I think they were using React or something. Dev dependency, direct dependencies, and here we can see what they are using. Yeah, they are using React. Now they are using Vue. Yeah, very simple. No, this project, I think nothing. It is just private project for Flutter. Then we have PUBG tournament, private Flutter. I never created it completely. Like I started this project, but never make it complete. I think someday I may complete it, but PUBG got banned in our country in India, so that's why I stopped working on this app. Then we have DocOp. Yeah, this is doctor appointment app I was creating as my side hustle. Yeah, but I never make it complete. But it was almost complete. The app was complete, but the doctor app was never started. But I will someday create the doctor app also. Then doctor and users can connect and yeah, do the doctor appointment thing. Yeah, this will I launch someday because it is my dream project, sort of. Then we have Flutter staggered grid. Yeah, I was trying to create a web app for this because Flutter can also work on create web website. So to show in the large screen, I was thinking why not display these posts as in the grid and as the staggered grid. Why not use that? So that's why I used that. Yeah. Why I am saying why not, and that's why not. That's why. Because that's why not is very good words. Because you can understand by yourself. Go. Go and understand by yourself. Yeah, then we have extended image. Yeah, but I'm not using this yet. I was trying to do the image crop and image compress things with help of this package, but it is very complicated package, and I just yeah I just not used it. Okay. Then we have Pesa project. Yeah, same Pesa project, but my fork, no problem. Time Ago project, but my fork, no problem. Madarsa project, but my cousin's fork, no problem. PF broadband. Yeah, what is this now? What is this? This is forked from forked. Okay. Oh, for PF broadband, I created another account. Oh, get it. So from there, I forwarded in my account. Okay, no problem. Then what we have? Angular album store procedure page. Yeah, I think it is from some tutorial. I didn't even remember that. Yeah, I think I remember that. It's from a training that my company where I currently I'm working on Accenture provided me. From there it was the project. Okay, no problem. Then we have random joke, fork of my cousin's random joke project. Then we have Flutterfire fork. Then we have question to answer embed YouTube. Yeah, question to answer. Did you remember that? Yeah. For that, embedding YouTube videos in the questions. For that, there is this is forked from some other project called question to answer embed, which was providing all type of embed like Twitter embed, Twitch embed, Facebook embed, all type of embed. But I just only needed YouTube embed, so I created a fork, then I added the code. Now it is only YouTube embed. Yay! Then we have CSS duck of card fork from the some other user. Then we have UPI only for GPay. Yeah, this is fork from that UPI plugin Flutter, but I created for only for GPay. Then we have Flutter custom tabs. This is also forked, and I never worked on anything. I just forked it. I don't know why. Galley Saber, Firebase storage. It is also forked. I never worked on this. Question to answer pro on site notification. Yeah, this is the great plugin for question to answer, and I contributed in it and I used in it my question answer website, and it is very great plugin. Then we have to show notification on our site, like who liked your post, who answered your question, yeah, and who added questions in the tag you are following, and in the categories you are following, who added the questions in there. So you can just go and answer these questions. So why not help others? Because why not? Yeah, that's why. Okay, now what we have there? DocOp Doctor, yeah, this is Doctor app for this DocOp user app. Okay, this is question to answer website fork. This is Myro, because before creating Myro Pro project, I created this Myro, then I archive it, then I created Myro Pro. Then what we have there? Doctor app admin, because why not? DocOp user, DocOp Doctor, then DocOp admin for only for me. Then we have Brickfield app for managing transactions and daily brick producing all of these things in the Brickfield. Then we have East Corridor. This is private project that I developed a website for an employee. I can see like there was I for only did one, what do we call that, internship. So I created a project for them and it is private. I developed a website for them. Yeah. And I think I can't show you that website. Yeah, then we have HTML email. Yeah, in the question to answer, when we send the email for like you got your question got answer, it was like very oddly formatted, like very simple text plain format, like your answer is got answer, but your question got answered by this user, but there was not design or something. So I created this HTML email template for similar to my question to answer theme, so that it will look like, yeah, this mail is coming from this website because these are looking same. Yeah, so this by my logic while at time of creating this email plugin. Then we have Canity Media. Yeah, this is the college where I go to do my software engineering. Yeah, from there I did my software engineering from Canity. So there I created a media app or called website. Yeah, it is in HTML. I created a media website for only for the university. No, it was college. Yeah, or maybe university, institute, whatever it was. Yeah. Then we have Samaro. It was Apan first draft. You can see I was creating Samaro, like previously the Apan app, which is currently I was trying to create. The name was Samaro. Then I tried creating some app, and I tried creating some post, adding post, like all of these things I created one time. Then I thought it was going on in the very wrong direction, like it was not. At that time I don't have the very good knowledge of Flutter, so it was very clumsy and whatever it was. So I just dropped that project, then created new project called Apnapan from the start. But yeah, I got very experience from this project, creating this Samairo project. So it is helped me creating this same project again, and then it is currently live. Wow. Then we have Ramadan. Yeah, it is simple and tried made in Flutter for Ramadan. Okay, like there will be Ramadan timings, namaz timings, iftar timings, sehri timings. Yeah, and all duas, all of these things. But I never published it on Play Store because it was never got completed. Yeah, in the next Ramadan, I hope I can complete this, and before next Ramadan, I can complete it. Then in the Ramadan, all users can use this app. Yeah. Then we have Funjoy app. It is simple. Jokes app. Like my cousin's idea, but it was first my idea in 2021. Simple joke app, but a Android app. Yeah. Then we have English Seekho. Never worked on anything on that. Like I was trying to create a similar to, like currently we have one app called, there is a bird app called, not Twitter, another bird app, Duolingo. Similar I was creating. English learn Sikho, it is Hindi word. So like Hindi users can learn English. So that this name is mix of both languages. English Sikho. Learn English. Okay. So I was trying to create that app, but I never worked on this because my English is also not good. So how can my app teach anyone else English? Then Nai Photo, yeah, it is also the previous draft of this Apanapan app. Nai Photo, then we have Samaro, then we have Apanapan. So there is multiple draft of same app, but Nai Photo was on the very early step. Then I created, why not create another name Samaro? Then why not create another app called Apan? Yeah, blah. Then we have question to answer repo. Then we have Instagram clone, JavaScript Instagram clone. I don't know what is it. Yeah, got it. It is a live. I did in the same channel. I did a live creating Instagram in the React. This is the project from there. You can see my previous live where I was creating this Instagram clone. Then we have Gnet Q&A. Yeah, the same that I showed you. This website. Then we have assets. I don't know. There I just upload some images, and to make it show in the other projects because I don't want to. In my other libraries project, I don't want to add the screenshot and make the my libraries and plugins and themes large in size so that they will take more size in the server of the other user. So that's why I host the images in another GitHub repository. So that's why. Then we have IST website. Yeah, in the same college in the KNIT, there was a one forum called IST. For that IST, I created a website and I make it public because why not? Then we have a GST search. I don't know what is it. Let's just check. Did I worked on it? Yeah, 4 commits. GST number search tool. What is it? Active GST search GST number tool. First commit. Yeah. Oh wow. Just GST search. Mm, Rename it to GST number tool. Wow. GST search. Then I added change the name. Yeah. Just change the name. Okay. Then active. Yeah. If it's snapshot data that status active, search result is green, then so green as yeah. I think I was just learning Flutter. There is nothing. That's why I'm saying what is GST search? I never created anything like that. Yeah, it is just nothing. Then we have house rental. Yeah, this is my college final year project. It is open source and it is public and it is my final year project and it is using the Ambu that my HTML, CSS, and JavaScript library to create a material design app, which is I used in this house rental project for my college. And I think it is not live currently. Yeah, it is not live, but I can make it live very simply. There is 129 commits. Like I worked very hard on this app, this website. It is a React project for my final year project. Yeah, in my final year computer science degree project, my software engineering degree project, whatever you called it. Yeah, then we have so simple. What is so simple? It is CSS private library called so simple. Only one commit. What is this? Nothing. Yeah, it is looking very simple. Nothing. It is definitely simple. I think I was. Yeah, what was this? It is empty project. I don't know. Yeah, get it. It is question to answer theme. I was trying to make it so simple, but I never made it any simple question to answer theme. So it is only so simple. Okay, empty project. Wow, what a nice project. Then we have WebRTC. Yeah, I was trying to create a video calling app with WebRTC, and it was live for some time, and it was working. You can see the all the JavaScript. Yeah. No, I think it was working. No, there is nothing. It is empty. But there was some WebRTC project I created which was working. I did the video call myself. I don't know. Social media, one more social media, but it was from someone else. It was Flutter app. Okay, I think I can get some help from this app also. I never checked it. It is 32 commit band. Yeah, why not? Just sync. Let update my branch. Yeah, okay. What is their Woobel social media app? Wow, wow. Yeah, I can get some help from this app if I need any help in my project, in Apan project. Yeah, this looking good. Yeah, but screenshot are loading very slowly. I don't know why. Yeah, I can get some help from this app definitely. because my app not looking this much beautiful. This will help me create my app beautiful. Okay, I will someday copy this app, but it is looking like complete Instagram clone, so that's why. Okay, no problem. Then what we have? Malicious URL detection with ML. Yeah, this was also my final year project, but for data science. Yeah. Then we have question to answer, comment to answer. Yeah, question to answer project. Simple. Question to answer breadcrumbs, question to answer fraud mate. All these question are to answer plugins that I just worked and contributed some things, and that's it. Question contained below title. Yeah, it is also question to answer plugin, but it was developed by me. Yeah, you can see it is not forked from anyone. Then we have keep a change log. I don't know what is this. Then we have question to answer numbering, question to answer filter text, featured question, yeah, question to answer. This is also question to answer. Yeah, and this question to answer plugin, but it was created by me. Yeah. Then we have question to answer social share, question to answer register blocker. These are all forked, just I did. Then we have code labs. Yeah, Flutter code lab. Yeah, I think I was learning Flutter, so why not Flutter code lab? Then I created one more Brickfield app, but it is Brickfield website, and it was Brickfield Flutter app. Okay. Then we have Squarely, but it is just a simple fork, and I never did anything in this. I am 48 commit behind. I don't know what is it. Someday, if I will go through all my repositories and learn all of this again, then I will be much good developer than what I am, because I have did many things in my past but not remember anything. So it is like learn, forget, learn new thing, forget old things. Like I never did revisions or anything. Yeah, but it is a good experience today. So going through all my previous projects. Then we have monodocs. Yeah, the same project. Doc app, doctor appointment app, but it was website. Previously, I was trying to create a website for same. Then Brickfield, same, but it was that time Android app for Brickfield. Then recipe. This the first Flutter app from where I learned about Flutter. This was the first app. Then we have Donut. This is the question answer theme. Yeah. Then we have my portfolio website. Then we have, oh, not my portfolio current. I think it is old portfolio because it is on my portfolio. Currently, it is on mominraza.github.io. Yeah. Then we have personality check. Yeah. This is the first app in the tutorial I learned. Then recipe I learned second app. Like in the same tutorial, the guy created first. Tell me to create this personality check app. Then teach us how to create this recipe app. Yeah. Then Tale of Krypton, this is a IST Kaniti Sultanpur website for game, Tale of Krypton game in the IST. Kaniti is my college. Their IST was a forum, and for IST we hosted a game called Tale of Krypton. For that I created a website. This is that. Did you get my point? Okay, no problem. Then we have my shop. Yeah, in this same course, the teacher also the tutor also teaches how to create this my shop app. So there is three app. Wow. My app, recipe, personality check, three app. Then we have car game. It is a fork from my college friend, my batchmate, Hers Srivastava. It was a Python car racing game. So I just forked it and never never opened the code, and also after that Hertz also never updated their project, so this car game never got updated. After 3 years, only two commits: initial commit and file edit, but that's it. Then we have my portfolio, one more my portfolio. No, it was a Harsh Srivastava portfolio followed by me. Okay, no problem. Then we have library management. Yeah, this was, I was learning PHP at that time. Then we have OTP. Same, I was learning PHP at that time. School. I don't know what is this. Yeah, get it. At that time, we created a website for one school. Okay. Do I have complete project in it? Yeah, I have uploaded a zip file in it. Okay, I will extract it and publish it so that everyone can see what is inside this project. That me and my one friend from the same batch called Vivek, we were developing for a college in the local Sultanpur where our college was, for a school where our college Kanaiti was there. For them, we created this school website, but it is in GIF format. Yeah, and it is. I made it open source because I don't know why. There is no why not. Because we created a website for someone else, then how can I make it public? But it is in GIF, so I think, yeah, I will just remove the college name and all of this thing. Just I will convert the college name to just school name, and then I can just publish it in my repo publicly. Yay, blah. Why not? Yeah, now I can see why not. Yeah, then what else we have? Then we have search. Yeah, it was simple search field like YouTube, like search field. But this time also it is in zip format because that time I don't know how to use GitHub, and I know it file by added by upload. I created a zip file for our folder and then uploaded that zip file there. Like our senior was saying to us, like, create your GitHub repo so that employers can see what you have done. And what I did, I uploaded the zip file. What a dumb I was. Okay, no problem. I will unzip all these project one day and republish in the same repo. Yeah, then we have documentation. Documentation, but for what? Yeah, it was Cordula documentation fork, and I never did anything in it because at that time Cordula was a app development like Scratch. Yeah, it was similar to Scratch, and it was also based on Scratch or app developer. Like, yeah, MIT created a some called app development program, which was forked by Cordler to create a app. So this is that. Like, just create a app from this Scratch. Do you heard about Scratch tool? Yeah, similar game development tool was there, like drag and drop the features and create a app. So that's why I was trying, why not go to the simple route and create a app like that way. So this is from that time. Then we have LD Electronics project, and I completely sure there is also I have zip file. And here we go, and here we have zip file. Yeah, for LD Electronics, it was a, I think was a copy brand of LG, and they were saying us to us, just create the dumb copy website of LG, just similar website, and we just did it. And now I think that it was a fraud website that they was told, asking us to create a same website like LG, then they can do some fraud, I think. At that time we were in college in the second year and we created this website. And when I'm saying we, so in the college first, in second and third year, me and Vivek, we were working like same on the same project together. Like in the school, we both worked. In the search, we both work. In the LT electronics, we both works. And this library management, the PHP part, Vivek was teaching me. Yeah, why not? Because Vivek, at that time, Vivek learned backend, PHP, and all things, and at that time, I learned the front end. So, like, we have the great team together. So, that's why we created too many websites that time for local businesses there around our college. Then we have this question to answer badge. Yeah, this is also a fork. Then we have question to answer user manager. It is also fork. Then we have Firebase Firestore chat app. It is also a fork from someone. I don't know. But it is in the Kotlin, like in the native Android development. And then we have tag search. It is also question to answer plugin. Then what we have? Question to answer Google mobile theme. This is also a fork from someone else. Yeah, that's it. All the my repos are ended, I think. Okay, this is it. My all repos are completed. Then what else I have? Recent activities, yeah, same contribution in contributing in the Pesa project, contributing in the Time Ago project, and Pesa project, and my Apnapan website, my Apnapan app. Okay, that's it. I think that's it from my GitHub, and these all was my projects. Yeah. So if you want to check out this my Apnapan app, you can go and check out that app. But yeah, it is. What is it? Then what else I can show you? I think it's time to wrap. Let's see how long we were live. We were live for 1 hour and 16 minutes. It is very long time. But I am now realizing, seeing the camera, like I was completely in my video like this. So you were showing my like this face, like I was not sitting like this and doing this. Like when you can see yourself in the camera, then you will be like, yeah, let's sit straight and like this and do work like this and this. What? Well, you are not seeing yourself, then I was like this and doing whatever, no problem. Yeah. I think, guys, that's what is for my all project. So I think now I have the title for this live. I can make it. Yeah, my all projects overview. What I did from my college till now, what I'm doing. Yeah, yeah, there was some missing part in between, like some college time. My projects are not on GitHub because I told you I was don't know that time GitHub, and I just uploaded some zip files there because my senior told me to upload it on zip so that some employer can see. And when I send them my GitHub user profile, then they can see, yeah, this guy is doing some work. Yeah, then what else I have? Yeah, then what else I have there? Yeah, let's just be like that. One more question. Yeah, yeah, there is strength. Yeah, there are. Yeah, all the comments are in the comment box. All are my sisters. I know. No, no real user will be there. Yeah, there is one Fatima, and there is Noori, Khushbu, and stranger Noori. All of these are my sisters. Only these are seeing my life. Wow. Okay, no problem. Then what we else have? Uh, okay, there is one खुशबू भी वैसे कोई इन महाशय को भी सुन ले. Wow. There. Okay, no problem. Okay, then what else we have there? Ah, and I also didn't show you my project, what I am working on, the Accenture where I am currently working. Yeah, that project are missing because I can't show that project, and also some my internship project I didn't see because these were also I can't show. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. Yeah, and also some my current hobby project are got deleted because of my old laptop, so that were not on GitHub. Yeah, but there is some missing part, but overall, these are all things I did from my college to till now. I started my college in 2017. Yeah, from that time to 2023, it is like 6 year. Yeah, okay. Bye. Bye. Thanks, guys, whoever was watching this. Bye.